Welcome to the Allison Christmas Spectacular. Christmas at the Tree Farm. The lights began Christmas 2008 with just over 40,000 lights on Sandy Creek Road. It was the Allison's son, Daniel, who had the dream to plaster everything in the yard with lights. And boy, did his dream come true. We have grown every year since, and 18 years later, we now have a new home for the show at the Havana Christmas Tree Farm. Jesus is the reason for the season, and he is why we do the light show every year.
All praise and glory to him. Let's all celebrate the true meaning of Christmas.
Let's have a Christmas celebration. Let's deck the halls with all the joy we can find. Let's have a Christmas celebration. Sing a song of peace and goodwill to mankind. Let's